How to turn off iPhone if screen is frozen. To get started, locate the side button and one of the volume buttons on your iPhone. These physical buttons provide quick access to essential functions. Press and hold the side lock button and either volume button at the same time. This action brings up the power off screen, which includes options for shutting down, medical ID, and emergency call. To turn off your device, drag the slide to power off slider all the way to the right. The screen will go black as the device shuts down. Alternatively, you can use Siri. Press and hold the side lock button to activate it. Siri is an intelligent assistant that helps you get things done, hands-free. Simply say, "Turn off my iPhone." A confirmation pop-up will appear on the screen. From here, you can tap power off to confirm and shut down your iPhone. Following these steps, you can easily turn off your iPhone if screen is frozen.